Hello, everyone. Good morning, good day, good evening, good night, wherever you may be, and you're now tuning into my channel. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Thank you. My topic sharing tonight will be my views, my opinions. Grandma, write on emotions, says my 3.5-year-old grandson. The words coming from him stopped me for a moment. He mumbled some words of what to write, but all I could gather were the words bad emotions. As one watched a child grow with every interaction, every manner, every action, every expression, the awe remains indelible in the minds of parents, grandparents, teachers, and the world turns with every opinion, observation, research, experiments, and analyses. We have emotions, but we are not our emotions. Emotions are conscious experience, judgment, thought, perception, imagination, and more creates the state of mind in every one of us. Our body functions due to these experiences and expressions follow. Every action, thought, responses, reaction, feeling, behavior bring many forms of emotions, and while some may respond with various expressions, the change in the environment where there is more than one person's present can differ in awareness for each and every one of us. Emotions can be mistaken or be described as feelings, but in my opinion, feelings come from the active emotion before the human eye can see a reaction. For instance, behaviors of fear looks like anger and sadness. Dangers go with anger, while fear of failure and frustration goes with sadness. Ego triggers anger, while idealism triggers sadness. The many forms of emotions, namely happy, sad, fear, boredom, panic, hostility, anger, grief, rage, stress, joy, hope, surprise, frustrations. We can go on, and yet not understand the emotions we all experience in multiple occasions differently, with each time or every moment we spend with ourselves or with others. Our physical, mental, intellectual, spiritual, cultural presence affect our emotions without us being aware of its presence. Every event or circumstances experience changes our environment. Emotions can be beneficial, harmful, depending on the feelings and the behaviors. What are you feeling today? Tevi asked Mom. I'm a happy, says Tevi. What made you say and look happy? Asked Mom. Mom, because I see you look happy and you are making my favorite pancake, said Tevi. Yav heard the conversation and ran into the kitchen singing, I'm happy too. Hint, why and how did each person feel to give the expression of a happy face, a happy voice, and a happy environment in this instance? Same scenario 3 days after. Why are you sad? Asked Mom. I'm not sad, but now I feel sad, said Tevi. This puzzled Mom, and she asked Yav, who walked into the kitchen smelling pancakes, how he was feeling. I feel happy that we are having pancakes, said Yav. He touched his brother and ran to the far end of the hall. Tevi laughed and ran after him. Mom listened to the two boys, having fun, laughing, and playing before coming over to the table to have breakfast. Then she pondered and thoughtfully observed a lesson from the reaction of two human beings. Emotions triggered from the different questions, hoping for the same response. Hint: how everyone's emotions can make another feel, even with a thought, a question, or an action. Him touching and running. Our five senses, hearing, seeing, touching, smelling, and tasting, affect our emotions, whether we are alone or with others. Our childhood memories, coupled with our DNA of generations, give our emotions its expressions. Our emotions create our actions. Our thought can be from a memory that is stored in our body and mind, which then motivates a reason to do something, an action. That could be seen in many of our behaviors, such as fear, surprise, sadness, happy, anger, bored, stress, joy, panic, and so many more reactions. And any one of these can either be beneficial or harmful. This is when patience, observation, and discussion, when appropriate, with the pitch, the tone, and the chosen word, as we all learn, as we continue on this path of understanding emotions. Thank you for listening. If there's any parts of this thought or this that I've shared hit the nerve to ask and to delve more into the understanding of emotions, feel free to share, make your comments, and let's have a further discussion, because this is a very wide topic. So thanks for listening. Remember to subscribe. Thank you.